welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys, let me just check my microphone, hold on. Oh, there you go. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use Fade in Pearl. This is like my favorite agent to use on this map. And these are kind of some of the lineups that I use. Let me just pause the match timer first. So I go up here. You're going to want to use shift because if you just jump, oh actually you can't do that. You are just going to jump on the sledge, and here you're going to stand here, and I like to just place my crosshair like on this like kind of like lamp. You can jump too, and oh, I'm still on buy phase. Okay, there we go. And I'm just going to basically place it there. And it does recon some of A, and I also like to go like here and throw it here as well. And in like mid, it doesn't really quite matter. You're just going to like jump a lot and like run and like jump to throw. I don't know what it's called actually. Like this like recon, and it's going to recon like mid. And for like B, sometimes I like to throw it like here, but a lot of times I go A. I do not know why, but I throw it up there. It's okay. Sometimes it does not work like that. Maybe like stand on this corner and oh, it's this corner. My bad. I sometimes forget my lineups as well, apparently. Sometimes just like throwing it and like running, it's like fine. It doesn't have to be like perfect. And that's for like defending. I like to also throw this in so like the enemies like don't come in, but I don't really have a specific lineup for it. And also like when attacking in like Pearl, I like to use this prowler first to just clear up any areas, and I just like to run and put my recon up there or like down here, I guess. But it's more ideal if you put it like on top of like the roof, so it's harder for the enemy to why is it so hard for me to throw it? There you go, like on the roof, so it's harder for them to shoot at it. And let's go like mid. I like to like throw it from here, but sometimes it works like put the like recon on this like line and kind of like jump, but sometimes it kind of like gets stuck somewhere, but sometimes it works. And like for like tight spaces like this, you want to like make sure you prowler you prowler it like here, because a lot of people hide here. And just like in like close corners, I would like to use the prowler to just like check if there's enemies there. Sometimes it gets missed, which is unfortunate, but no. In A, I just typically just like run and like jump and throw it, and sometimes it lands here, sometimes it lands here. It's like very inaccurate, but like it's fine. But before, I like to also like prowler from here, because a lot of enemies like to peek. I don't like peeking, but a lot of people have the confidence to do that because they're not like me. But honestly, that's it. Playing Fade is actually super easy, because like I you know, played like Fade one time, like just like try and see for myself like how to use like Fade and stuff, and it was actually super simple. And then this is the agent I like to play on this map. I actually like to play initiators a lot. I don't know why people say it's like hard, but I find it easy because like I'm able to like find enemies before I like try to shoot them. But you can also use the ult. Oh yeah, I forgot. Just like in sight, or like when they're inside and you're retaking the site, you can just press X and ult. And what this does, it basically deafens them, so they won't be able to listen where you're at and stuff. And I think it will make make it easier for you guys to like retake site if you use ult. So retake is like from here usually, or like from backside. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!